From our previous video, we discussed about the pH value, and today we are going to talk about the calculation that involves pH value. pH value, we know that pH value means power of hydrogen. So we said that the formula in calculating this pH value is known as the reciprocal of the log reading that is in base 10 to the hydrozonium ion concentration of a solution. So on that note, we said that the pH value is equals to the reciprocal of log 10 to the hydrozonium ion, or we can also say that the pH value is equals to the negative log 10 hydrozonium ion. So any of these equations can serve. So without wasting time, let's see. So you can use any of this formula to solve that. So let's see what we have here. Example number 1. Calculate the pH value of 0.1 mole or 1 mole per dn cube of an acid solution. The acid solution produces 0.1 mole of hydrozonium ion per dn cube. So from our formula that you have seen, we said that this pH value is given as pH value equals to 1 over the log 10 of hydrozonium ion. So from the calculation and the question given, we said that calculate the pH value of 0. So the hydrogen ion here is given as 0.1 mole per dn cube. So therefore we can say that the pH value is equals to 1 divided by this log 10. We bring down the log 10, so the whole of here will become bracket 0.1, because this is 0.1, replacing this with this. So we have pH value is equals to 1 over so let's just say this is log 10 or 1 divided by 0.1. So using a calculator, you can see that our 1 divided by 0.1 is equals to 10. So here are going to give us log 10. So log 10 can cancel out each other. This can cancel out to give us what? 1. So we can also say that log 10 is our log, because my log here, this is my log 10 is equal to 1. Look at the log 10 is equal to 1. So therefore the pH of this is equals to 1, and this is highly acidic. So that is what we have here. So question number 2 Question number 2 states that calculate the pH of 0.01 mole per dn cube of an acid solution. Now you see that we have also the same procedure in solving this problem. You can say that the pH value is equals to 1 over log 10 hydrozonium ion, which is equals to 1 over log 10. Then you put your value here. Your hydrozonium ion is 0.01. So we have 0.01. So which is going to give us log 10 all over 0.01 equals to log 10. So we have 1 divided by 0.01 is going to give us 100. So it's going to give us 100 here. So we are having 100. So we have log 10. And 100 is something as 10 raised to the power of 2 is something as 100, which means 10 times 10 giving us 100. So 10 can cancel out and giving us 2. You can also press a calculator log 100. Log 100 here, which is this 100, can also give us what? Log 100 give us what? 2. So that is the answer. This is also acidic. It's highly acidic because it's close to 1. So highly acidic also. So let's take a look at this side. If you watch this side, there is a formula that we have here that is not related to what we have been doing before. This formula is used to relate acid, which has hydrogen ion, plus hydrogen ion, which is for base. Giving us them. This is the formula to solve when we are checking for acid and base reaction. in terms of hydrogen. So we say calculate the pH value of sodium hydroxide, and calculate the pH value of sodium hydroxide, and that's a question. You can see that this is, some of you will say that why didn't I transfer this to this point? Yeah, I would have done that, but in this question we always do this in this format. So this is equals to 10 minus 10 10 raised to the power of minus 14 divided by hydrogen ion. So the hydrogen ion is the base, because base is a hydrogen ion, which is given as a what from the equation. The base is given as 0.01 mole. So we have 0.01 mole per dn cube, 0.01 mole. That is for hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion is, so this is the hydrogen ion is given as, this hydrogen ion is given as 0.01 mole per dn cube. So per dn cube. So anywhere you see this, you replace it with this. So on that note, you can say that the hydrogen ion is equals to 10 raised to the power of minus 14 over, this is something as 0.01. 0.01 is something as 0.01 is something as 10 raised to the power of minus 2. That's what it means, because I have two zeros here, so minus 2 here. So you can replace this because in standard form. This is standard form of it. So 10 raised to the power of minus 14 over 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So if I have 0.001 like this, if I have 0.001, it's also meaning that 10 raised to the power of minus 3. If I have 0.1, it means 10 raised to the power of minus 1. So that is the same thing. So just note that. From the law of indices, in the law of indices, if you are solving for this, when there's division and they have the same base, so you pick one base, because 10 is here, so you pick only one, minus 14, which is this one. Then this one will go up. When it goes, it becomes plus. But since it is minus already here, it will now, since it is minus, it also becomes, you change to plus. But if it is plus, change to minus. So plus 2 is equals to minus 14 plus 2 base 10. This is the 10 base 10. Minus 14 plus 2 give us minus 12. Because why it is minus 12? Because 14 is having the negative value and 14 is bigger than 12. So the minus will continue. So therefore, according to the log, we say that from the word of the log, we say when we have reached to this point and you have minus 12, therefore pH now is equals to 1 over log 10 hydrogen ion. So this here now, this equation now, here now, this one now becomes the hydrogen ion. This one now becomes, which is 10 raised to the power of minus 12. 10 raised to the power of minus 12 becomes the hydrogen ion. Since it is now the hydrogen ion, now we can say that this is now hydrogen. So anywhere we see this 10, we say hydrogen ion, which is this formula here. We replace it with this 10 raised to the power of minus 12. So this 10 raised to the power of 12 is what we have here now. This is minus 10 raised to the power of minus 12. So this is the first equation we used here. The first equation with the first formula we used here. This formula, they are the same. So it's the same thing. So I have to replace this. So on this note, we have, anywhere I see this is 1 over log. We have log 10 here. So 1 over log 10. 10, this value is the value we got from what we actually solved here now. We got the value for what we actually solved here now. Yeah, we got this value. So we are replacing this hydrogen. So the hydrogen ion is something as hydrogen ion in this note now is equals to 10 raised to the power of minus 12. So anywhere I see this now, I will put this value. So now 10 raised to the power of minus 12 is something as 1 divided by 0.0 into 12 places. Are you getting me? So that means what I'm having here is if I say log 1 over 10, that is 10 raised to the power of minus 12. What I mean is that 1 divided by, this is already log 10. Log 10 is equals to 1 divided by 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So it's 0 into 12 divided by 1. We're going to give us what? Now if you press it in calculator, that is 1 divided by 0 into 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. It's going to give me 10 raised to the power of 12. So it's going to give me 10 raised to the power of, that is 10 raised to the power of 12. So it's going to give me log 10 raised to the power of 12. So this will cancel this. It's going to give us what? 12. So if I say log 10 raised to the power of 12, reality here, log 10 raised to the power of 12, log is my log 10 raised to the power of 12. This is raised to power 12. going to give us what, 12. So that is how this is being achieved. So this one is highly basic. It's highly basic in nature. It's highly basic in nature. So this is the base. So thank you. Please subscribe, share this video to your loved ones so that you want them to achieve from this. Share it and watch the calculation very properly. If you have any question to ask, you can ask question in the comment section. Like, comment, share, please share. For more videos are also coming. Thank you very much.